What it do? It's your boy Sincere B. Time for a new unboxing. We're looking at the Aomais Bluetooth speaker from Aomais Direct. They sent us another Bluetooth speaker. Thank those guys for sending this out to the channel. And some of the specs are Bluetooth connection, stereo pairing function. If you have two of these, you can pair them up together with one device, and you get that true stereo sound. And what's cool about that, if you have two of these running at the same time, you can go to the left one, turn the volume down, the volume up, and it will affect the other one also. So that's dope if you have one in this room, maybe one in the kitchen, you have some people over, you can control the volume by just messing with one speaker and not have to go and do both individually, so that's pretty dope. Also, it's IPX4 Waterproof, meaning splash proof pretty much. In the shower, you should be okay. The rain, you should be okay. If you drop in the pool, if you get up right away, you should be okay. But not fully waterproof, meaning you cannot submerge. I will not submerge it. Built-in microphone, built-in rechargeable battery, up to 99 feet connection range, up to 24-hour playtime. So it's a lot of playtime. And that's about it. Let's go get into it, open it up. Got a little card here from Aomais. This is more for support information, phone number, email address, some guaranteed conditions in the back. Instruction book tells you everything that comes with it inside. Other stuff, you know, for taking care of it. I'm gonna keep that in the plastic because I am giving this speaker away as an Anchor.fm giveaway. What else we got here? We got 3.5mm jack to plug in case your Bluetooth dies out of battery. You can still plug this into your device as long as it has either a lightning cable or dongle where you can plug it in, or a headphone jack. USB to micro USB for plugging it in and recharging your Bluetooth speaker. Keep the box intact because I want to use this sitting off for the winter. Take it out of here. It's a small speaker. A little bit of decent weight. It's not heavy, but it's not like really light. You can feel it has some weight to it. I like the color. I like it has the dark plastic here and the black plastic here, but that really dark rubber here on the sides. And on the bottom also rubber feet so that it doesn't slide off the table. Get a nice little grip on it. I like the subwoofer and everything on the bottom. It has a nice little breathing section on the bottom. Some Aomais branded on top. This is the front of the speaker. On the top here you have a microphone, which it does give you the microphone logo, so that's good, so it tells you where the microphone is at. On the side here you have the volume up and down, pause and play, Bluetooth connection, and then you have the power button right there. So that's good. On the back right here you have a little flap, you flip it up, and there you have your port for your micro USB for charging, and your 3.5mm jack to plug in the millimeter jack to here and to whatever device you want to plug it into in case your battery is dead. Other than that, I think that's it to look over. But for its build, I like the build. It looks like it's really built well. I love the plastic around here, so it could take a good fall and a nice little beating, and it should be okay along the lands on the corners and stuff like that. So that's good. It's this kind of rubber that, you know, you put this in the backpack, you probably gonna get lint all up in there. It's that kind of rubber, you know what I mean? But that's fine with me too. Let's go inside sound. All right, let's go ahead and pair it up first. I'm gonna pair it to my iPad and Bluetooth, and we're gonna go ahead and press the Bluetooth. First, make sure we got power. Okay, so Aomais have the same sound, the bump, 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 bump. So we know it's on. You see the blue light blinking. Hopefully you can. I'm not sure if you can, but it's blinking right next to the Bluetooth connection. Oh, it already came up. So as soon as I turn the power on, it came up here as Aomais Real Sound. This is what this is, Aomais Real Sound Bluetooth speaker. Let's go and press that. And now we're connected. All right. We're connected. Let's put up some music. Got some copyright-free music on YouTube from Aurora B. Polaris. This is called Angel. Let's check it out. See, kind of bass heavy. You can hear all the sounds in it though. It's pretty good. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Not bad at all. I don't think it'd be really good for deep hip hop music and rap music, but it can play it. It's kind of bass heavy though. You can hear the sounds, individual sounds in here, but not really crisp clear. But for its size, it's putting out some good, nice non-vibrating thump. Like the bass part is not like vibrating too much, so it's doing a really good job. Every time it feels in my hand. Yeah, you can really feel that woofer breathing down there. Not a bad speaker. For its sound, it sounds good. It sounds good for the size. It's only $20 for this Bluetooth speaker. And you're gonna get what you're gonna get, but I'm actually surprised that it's for $20 and it sounds this great on that type of music. Like I said, it seems bass heavy, so I probably say rap music may not sound the way you want to sound it. Ain't gonna be like a really bumping bass in it. But you turn that bass down on some hip hop music, you get some good vocal sound that should come through pretty good. So let's make a phone call on here and check out the phone here. I'm gonna call from my iPad. Let me call a restaurant or something. Let me find somewhere where I can call here. Let's go. Let's find food. Let's call this Z Burger place here. Let's see how this sounds. Microphone's on this side. It's ringing. It's ringing. You see my distance between me and the microphone? See, she's here to hear me. What time do you guys close?
9.
9 o'clock?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. That's pretty good. I had a nice little distance between me and the microphone. She heard me really well. I heard her perfectly. Y'all heard her too. Microphone works great, man. So, hey, this is a nice little Bluetooth speaker. Like it says, on $19 on Amazon. Thank you, Aomais, for sending us our tools for a review product. And I think you might want to check this out, y'all. It's nice to have these in your backpack. I carry one in my backpack because you never know you'll be somewhere. Might want some music playing. The phone ain't loud enough. You put like a Bluetooth speaker. And now you got a block party. Well, maybe not a block party, but you know what I mean. Yeah. So great speaker. And again, thanks for sending us our tool. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, come again and bring a friend. And for my Anchor.fm family, what was the funniest way you have injured yourself? What was the funniest way you have injured yourself? And if you don't know what that is, you got to go to Anchor.fm and follow me there and listen to the podcast. And you can find out what that's all about. But for my Anchor community, this is what you're going to be getting for the winner. And hope somebody claim and participate so you can win this Bluetooth speaker, yo. It's your boy Sincere B. Thanks again to Aomais. And I'll talk to y'all soon. I'm out of here. Peace.